Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to a new video. Today I shall be showing you guys how I did my nails. As you can see, I've already done the one side of my nails and now I'm doing the other side. So we're going to start off by filing the top part of your nails to remove the shine so that when you glue the nail down, it glues down properly, and just ignore the nasty look of my nails in the beginning. I had nails on before this, but yeah, now you can see it doesn't look shiny, and this will help make sure that the press on stays down. So now here is my packet of press on nails that I got from AliExpress. Ignore those ones that I've used before, but here they are. I got these on AliExpress. The link to all the products that I used will be down below, including this one. So now I'm just going to take the nails and just fit them onto my finger. So as you can see, now I'm trying to fit, and this is exactly what you mustn't do when you're fitting your press-ons. You must make sure the nail you use covers your entire nail. Yeah, the press-on you use must cover entire nail, like this one, and make sure it does that for all your fingers so that it has a nice natural look and it doesn't look iffy, if you know what I mean. So yeah, just showing you guys again how it must look. So yeah, now I'm just going to glue on these press-on nails. The glue I am using is the Kiss glue. I got this from Clicks, but I'm sure you can find this glue on eBay or your local store. Like, just any glue should be fine. So yeah, as you can see, it is looking quite good. It's nicely glued down. And as you can see, it's nicely fitted onto my nails. As you can see, I'm now just going to cut my nails to the desired length, and then once I'm done cutting it, I'm going to file the nail so that it's nice and straight. And just a hack to make sure that you cut the same length for each nail is just to make sure that the nail touches that little barrier type of thing that stops the nail from going forward. So yeah, just make sure every single nail touches that little barrier circular thing if your nail cutter looks like mine. So now that I'm done filing my nail, I'm now going to apply the nail polish, but I just want to show you guys this UV LED lamp thing for drying your nails that I got from AliExpress. I'm sorry it's pretty dirty from the first time I used it, but this thing, I'm so happy that I got it because you can't really dry gel nails without the lamp, and this was pretty cheap. Once again, I'll put this in the description down below with its price, and you can go purchase one if you'd like to do your own gel nails at home. So you just plug this into a charging head and it will turn on, as you can see, and then now you can dry your nails at home and do DIY nails such as I am doing right now. So right now I'm going to use my ROSALIND gel nail polish in the shade 02, which as you guys can see is a white color, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that. The best tip I can give you guys when it comes to applying gel nail polish is to apply a really thin and even layer of it, because the one mistake I made the first time I used gel nail polish is applying a thick layer, and it took a long time to dry, plus it started lifting from the nail polish, and yeah, it just wasn't fun. It took me such a long time to get it done, whereas with a thin layer it's so easy to dry. And yeah, using the lamp, it should take you maybe 2 to 3 minutes for it to nicely dry. That's if you do use my method of applying a thin layer. And the thing with a thin layer, if it's not as opaque, I guess, as you want it to be, you can always apply a second layer. So now that I'm done applying the nail polish, I'm just going to put that under the UV lamp for 2 to 3 minutes, and you can always put it under the lamp for a few more minutes if you feel as if it hasn't dried enough, in order to avoid making any dents or scratches in your nail polish accidentally. And as you can see, it has dried off in a nice glossy look, but I wanted a matte look, so I'm going to use this ROSALIND matte top coat that I got from AliExpress. I'm just going to apply that on top. So once again, I'm just going to reinforce the point that you must apply a thin layer, because you don't really need a lot of it, and it helps for the gel polish to dry quicker. So now I'm just going to let that dry, and as you can see now, it doesn't look as glossy anymore. It's now nice and matte, but now I'm just going to do my thumb and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, I am back and I'm loving how it looks. So now I'm just going to take some cotton buds and some nail polish remover and just clean up those edges to make it nice and look good. Okay guys, and now I am done, and this is looking absolutely stunning, and I love how it matches my background. This looks absolutely perfect. And now, as a typical YouTuber, I'm just going to do a slow show off of my nails. And yeah guys, I hope you liked this tutorial on how to do your nails, and I have a surprise for you guys. I'm just going to do a bit of ASMR with the nails, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy that. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to comment down below and check my description for my other videos. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.